Hello students, I am Tejaswini Chayanache. I am teaching you marketing management subject for you. In today's session, we will discuss about the syllabus. So here I explain you syllabus in short way. After that, the next session we will discuss one by one module. Okay.
So here as you see on the screen, here subject name is marketing management and subject code is 405, and here internal marks is 20 marks and the semester end exam is 80 marks. Okay. In marketing management there are 5 modules. The first one is buying behavior and second module is customer relationship management and third module is integrated marketing concepts and fourth module is rural marketing and fifth module is global marketing. So the module 1 buying behavior, consumer market. So here what is the consumer markets, and there are some factors of affecting the consumer buying behavior. Models of consumer behavior, there are some factors of the affecting the consumer buying behaviors, and there are some models of the consumer behavior and buyer decision process. So here the buyer decision process, it is the decision making process used by consumers regarding the market transactions before, during and the after purchasing of goods and services. Okay. So next, buyer adoption process. So a buyer adoption process, it is the services of storage consumer go through before actually purchasing or rejecting the product. Okay. And there are some types of buying decision behavior. There are some types of the buying decision behavior and the industry market. So here what is the meaning of industry market and their industry market, and next one is the industry buying process. There are some process of industry buying and the buying situation and new task and modified. There are rebuy and straight rebuy. And next, buying process and individual buying behavior and institutions government markets. Okay. So here we will see on the later. Next, module second, customer relationship management. So here the meaning of customer relationship management, and there are some types of customer relationship management and types of customers. Okay. The next, customer contact center technology. So here IVR is nothing but interactive voice response, and the speech recognitions and computer computer telephony integration and customer management and front desk management. Okay. And the next, there is difference between the CRM means customer relationship management and relationship marketing, and there are some principles of managing customer relationships. There are some the principle of managing the customer relationships we will see on the later. In model 3, integrated marketing concept. So here what the meaning of integrated marketing concept, and there are some rules of IMC means integrated marketing concept, and next one is a IMC planning module. So here integrated marketing concept, the planning module, and marketing and promotion process. So here the process of the marketing and promotion and the communication process, and there are steps of, and there are some steps and the next one is a developing IMC program. So here the developing of integrated marketing concept program and effectiveness and marketing communication. And there are some purposes of integrated marketing concept and rules and functions. There are some functions of integrated marketing concept and types of the integrated marketing concept and the advertising versus marketing mix. There are some difference between the advertising and marketing mix. We will see on the later. And model for rural marketing. So here the meaning of rural marketing and marketing environment. So here a demographic, physical, social and culture and economics and economic structures. Okay, the challenges in rural marketing. There are some challenges of the rural marketing and rural marketing index and government initiatives in rural marketing. And model number 5, global marketing. So here meaning of global marketing. So what is global marketing, and there are some factors of global marketing and market entry decisions and global marketing program and market concept. Okay, so here I explain the syllabus in short way. The next session we will discuss the first model. Okay, thank you.